Safety Clearances. This tool helps you check and optimize safety distances between objects. You can access this via the Safety Distance function in the task menu on the right. Many objects in the library already have a built-in 400mm safety distance, ensuring an 800mm minimum passage width. If there is a collision warning, you can see this in the top right-hand corner. For example, if the table is too close, the system will highlight it. Adjust the position of the table until the warning disappears and there are no safety buffers colliding. Next, you can define custom safety zones using block layout objects. For this, we need to disable the built-in safety buffer on the machine in the Properties menu by removing the checkmark under Check for Safety Clearances. In return, we need to enable the same function on the block layout object so it acts as the new safety buffer. In order to easily toggle the new safety distance on and off later, we need to create a new layer as well. You can also set up different zone types around the machine, like narrow walkways, maintenance areas, or operator workspaces. Make sure to group them with the machine for easier handling. Now that everything is set up, we can view or hide the safety distance objects by toggling the layer on and off. Even when zones are hidden, the system still detects violations. If warnings appear within a group, enable Ignore Within Groups to focus only on external collisions. To fix the problems, we can move the machines to a better position. This works well with the arrow keys on your keyboard, for example. No warnings means all clearances are now correctly maintained. Remember, well-planned safety zones prevent costly redesigns later.